Here with me I have Oscar, and he's going to talk about heavy metal dioxins.
Thank you, Hampus. Sweden and Finland have had an exemption since 1990 from EU's ban of selling fish. For example, herring and salmon, which contains higher levels of environmental toxin dioxin than the permissible limits.
And what are the consequences of this?
Professional fishermen need to shut down their businesses unless the exemption is extended.
And what does the government do about that?
Government have given NFA and Fisheries Agency a basis to develop a decision to seek continued exemption from the EU ban.
Alright, well, thank you. And now we're going to see a teaser of a movie that Oscar and his research group has done.
Here in Sweden, a shortage of food hasn't been a problem in a long time, but these days a new threat rises. We are poisoning our own lake, the Baltic Sea.
A popular product from the Baltic Sea is the herring. The herring contains a large portion of the heavy metal dioxin. Dioxin isn't a poison in itself, but when it's combined with other atoms, it forms a molecule called the polychlorinated dibenzodioxin.
The consumption of fishes that contains a lot of dioxins is dangerous, and they are especially dangerous for women and children. If a woman is pregnant, the heavy metals will be transferred to the fetus through breast milk primary, and it will damage the fetus' ability to breathe, remember stuff. They will get behavior disorders and maybe immune system problems. Young women can eat these fishes. It's an advice to eat these fishes 2 to 3 times a year max, while healthy men and women can eat these fishes up to once a week.
The heavy metals are distributed by various factories and households throughout the country. The heavy metals bind itself to particles in the air, which we breathe in. Some of the heavy metal also go down into the water and then bind itself to the meat in the fishes. And so, when other predators, like ourselves, eat the fishes, it spreads throughout the biological cycle. Thank you, Oscar, for being with us here tonight, and thank you all our viewers for taking part of the news this week. Next week we'll be talking about the association of knife-throwing dwarf midgets in Kansas. Thank you and goodbye.